Alright guys, so on the last video we went ahead and blacked out the steering wheel trim right here from silver to matte black. What we're going to do next is change the emblem color from the silver to this black. So we got this from cartrimhome, and this is going on a 2021 Toyota Tundra. Let's go get started. Alright, so for this super easy mod, we're removing the backing for this double-sided tape. Make sure the surfaces are clean. Just like that. Just like that, super easy. Took less than a minute. You don't have to remove anything.